SDI specializes in service improvement. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, we love nothing more than passing on our knowledge and expertise by working with service desks across the globe. SDI offers a complete range of practical support services tailored to your needs. We can offer a solution project for any timeline, budget, and scope. All service improvement plans are delivered on-site at your convenience. We can help you transform your whole service or help you with a specific area which may be preventing you from being the best you can be. Maybe you need support with tracking the right performance metrics, analyzing your results and using them to demonstrate the value of your service to the rest of the business. Or perhaps you want to improve the customer experience, exceed their expectations and ensure you are responding as efficiently as possible. If you know something isn't quite right, but you're not sure what it is, our health check service can help you diagnose any key areas for improvement and point you in the right direction. Whatever your needs, we can help, because at the end of the day, you want to be brilliant and we want you to be brilliant too. The first step is to call and speak to one of our friendly advisors or get in touch via email. We'll arrange a call where together we can discuss your needs, budget and time frame. Then your journey to service improvement can begin. We look forward to hearing from you.